Today is the day, the only day that your broom can stand up on its own. And watch this. Oh my God.
The broom challenge. Is it a hoax? Is it science? Are we really getting this excited about a broom standing up on its own? Regardless of how you feel or what you think, one thing is for sure, this challenge has taken over the internet in just 24 hours. What started with a tweet has quickly led to the internet wondering what is actually causing the broom to stay up, science or a string? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to I.O. I'm your host, Jared Bronstein. And before we get into it, let me know in the comments below if you tried the broom challenge and what happened. I'm actually going to be trying it at the end of this video, so stick around for that. As always, we also got some bonus content to follow up the story, but for now, let's get swept away. It all started with a tweet from Twitter user Michaela, who tweeted out, okay, so NASA said today was the only day a broom could stand up on its own because of the gravitational pull. I didn't believe it at first, but OMG. Attached to the viral tweet is a video which has been viewed 5.84 million times, liked over 230,000 times, and retweeted just under 55,000 times at the time of this recording. So inevitably, it got the attention of the internet rather quickly. As of now, the likes of Paula Abdul, Brother Nature, Tory Lanez, even the Milwaukee Bucks have jumped in on the action. However, there have also been some people who tried the challenge and ended up with their brooms falling down. It's also important to mention, NASA never officially released a statement telling people about this. Naturally, as this information came to light, people started wondering if they were getting trolled by the internet. Is the broom attached to a string and people are just messing around? There were claims that you could only do this challenge on a specific day, February 10th, because of the Earth's gravitational pull, which also confused people. Wouldn't it depend where in the Earth you are? Nope, because it's all bullshit. Now, I hate to break it to you guys, or maybe this is good news. Either way, you can do the challenge any day, anytime, and it has absolutely nothing to do with the Earth's gravitational pull. This challenge swept the internet back in 2012 as well, and it seems we all just forgot about it. The science behind a broom standing up on its own comes down to its center of gravity. More specifically, with the longer, flat, bristled brooms at a specific angle, you can make it stand the same way a tripod would. Given the fact that the top part of the broom is being balanced by the wider bottom, it appears that the broom is defying gravity. It's not. If anything, it's actually working with gravity, which is keeping the bottom secure. There have been other claims that this could be done during the equinox, also known as the vernal equinox, which is when the sun crosses the celestial equator, but that isn't happening until March 19th, so that's also been debunked. So if you guys ever want to impress your friends after a few drinks or tokes, just take out the broom and stand her up. If you really want to have your mind blown though, check out the sunrise, which is when you'll be able to see Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn in the east before the sun comes up. During sunset, you'll be able to see Mercury and Venus soon after it goes down. This is because the Earth is sharing the same side of the solar system as these planets in what's called planetary alignment, making them easily visible to the naked eye. But that's only in February of 2020, so, I mean, check it out. It's pretty cool. I'm sure it's gonna happen again, like, a couple years or next year, every year, whatever, but for right now, enjoy. Check it out, why not? Anyways guys, we're gonna wrap this one up, but for now, let's reply to some comments from the video, top 10 deleted YouTube videos you were never meant to see. Vicky M said, you are back, yay, I thought you quit I.O., but now I'm happy. I never quit, guys. I'm on Top 10 Central. I don't know if you guys have been checking it out, check it out, it's a fun channel. That's my main channel now, and Life's Biggest Questions as well, so come check those out, and I'm on here occasionally. Dalatui said, is it just me, or does this dude speak super fast? It just seems super rushed. I'm naturally a fast talker. I try to slow it down sometimes on camera. It's just, I don't know, I feel like that's just me. Like if I talk slow, it won't be, if I'm just like, this broom challenge isn't the, like it's just not me. I'm just like a fast, energetic, haha, Nico Lumina said, I could see Jared playing a vampire, demon, or anything immortal in a movie or TV show. I don't know if that's a compliment or not. I don't know if that means I'm like very pale and like a vampire looking or what, but I'll take it, I guess. I mean, I'll take any role on a TV show, but for now, guys, we got a broom over here. We're gonna try to stand it up. Let's see what happens. So we got this right here. You can see it's a flat broom. You guys ready? Hold on. You gotta just get the center of the, so just like, here we go. This challenge is bullshit.
Let me try this out.
We got producer Chris here now.
Nope. Nope.
Okay, honestly, dude, the challenge. Like, we're not, like.
It's not going, eh?